Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to delete your search history on YouTube. The first thing we're going to want to do is head over to the main YouTube homepage. So just www.youtube.com. Underneath the YouTube icon on the top left, go down to the history button, so left click on that. And now left click on search history. And you can see that YouTube is keeping track of my keystrokes that I type into the search bar. So anytime that you make a search, whether or not you watch a video, YouTube is keeping track of what you are searching for. This is how we're going to delete it. So very simple, we're going to just left click on clear all search history. Left click again, clear all search history. And if you don't want YouTube to keep tracking you in the future for your searches, you can left click on pause search history right here. And then once you click on that, it'll give you the option now to resume search history. So you can just go back and forth with that. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.